Dawn spills over Hollowcrest Farm as roosters duel and a stubborn tractor rumbles to life. A seasoned farmer narrates Milo the calf learning to follow the feed cart, turning early chaos into a patient lesson in trust. The crew battles irrigation glitches, improvising with a borrowed timer and a silly playlist that keeps the cows smiling. A neighbor drops by, trading harvest tailies and recipes, reminding everyone that community is the real garden. Sunset brings small victories, saved rainwater, a cooperative pig, and hearts warmed by a farm day well spent.